Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com with a quick video update for you. Coming to you live from Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Not here to discuss the tropical paradise that I've been enjoying this week, but instead take a look at the upcoming 10-day pattern. And what we've got here is a very transitional type weather pattern over the upcoming 10-day period. Unfortunately, that's not going to yield very much in the way of rain and thunderstorm activity as transitional patterns typically do this time of the year. It will give us some cooler air in here this time next week, but then the pattern itself returns to a rather warm look as we get out there towards day 10. So we'll start off this morning with a look at the upper air pattern off the European ensemble, and as we put this into motion, the ridge continues to really flex its muscle in the short term and going to be responsible for extended summer type heat. Also, we do have to keep a very close eye here on Maria, potentially at least certainly going to provide impacts to the eastern seaboard as we go through the upcoming week. Whether directly or indirectly, that's arguable right now, but we'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. And as we put this into motion, notice the trough does develop here across the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes as we go into next weekend. Again, that's going to be responsible for a change, some unseasonably cool air. But it's not going to last very long as the broad scale ridging here develops again over the Great Lakes out there towards day 10. A look at the snapshots here as far as the temperatures go. Easy to call here in the short term with continued summer-like heat, closer to record highs as opposed to where we should be for this time of the year. Cooler air does invade, though, in the 5 to 10 day period as we move into early October, but again, that does not last, and we get back to a rather warm look overall again. I think the core of the heat relative to average with the next surge of warmth is actually going to be north of our area as opposed to really being in the center of the anomalous warmth this go around, but nonetheless a mild pattern does return as we get into the 10 to 15 day regime. And as mentioned, unfortunately, it's still a very, very dry look in terms of rainfall. Upcoming 10-day forecast is just a joke, only forecasting somewhere between a tenth and a quarter inch of rain locally, and that's going to be as a cold front limps through here the middle part of the upcoming week. Guys, make it a great weekend. Thank you as always for logging on to NDWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.